Welcome back again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today we'll be cooking 3 classic skewer recipes for chicken. The first one of the 3 will be the classic Indian dish chicken tikka. A full list of ingredients will be found at the beginning of each recipe and in the description box below. And we hope you like them. Okay, for the chicken tikka, put the chicken and the yoghurt aside. Put all the rest of the ingredients into a blender and blend to a fine paste. Then add the yoghurt and blend again. When this is done, put the chicken in a bowl and spoon over the yoghurt marinade and refrigerate for 2 hours. When the 2 hours are up, simply place the pieces of chicken onto the skewers. Next, preheat a well-oiled griddle pan till it's nice and smoking. Then griddle the chicken, making sure not to overcrowd the pan until thoroughly cooked through. Then simply serve. This might be a good time to remind you, if you like this recipe, to click the subscribe button. The next chicken skewer recipe is chicken souvlaki. Again, a very simple and very tasty dish. I tend to favour very easy to make recipes, and they don't come much easier than this. Simply place all the ingredients in one bowl, mix together and leave marinate for 2 hours. How hard can that be? And again, when the 2 hours of marinating are up, simply thread onto skewers. Then it's off to a well-oiled preheated griddle pan. And griddle, turning frequently until thoroughly cooked. See, I said it was easy. Third recipe in this video is chicken satay with peanut sauce. Okay, first put the chicken and peanuts aside, place all the rest of the ingredients into a blender and blend into a rough paste. Then place the chicken in the bowl. We're using chicken thighs for this one, and spoon over 1/4 of the marinade. We're reserving the other 3/4 for the sauce. Then it's off to the fridge to marinate for 2 hours. Anyway, and when the 2 hours are up, simply thread the chicken thighs onto the skewers. Then as normal, it's up to a well-oiled preheated griddle pan, cooking until thoroughly cooked through. Then we get on to make the sauce. You could of course cook the peanut sauce while the chicken is grilling, if you can multitask, like I can't. Put a dry pan over some medium heat, put in the crushed peanuts and toast for 2 or 3 minutes. Then simply add the rest of the reserved marinade and cook for 5 minutes to cook out all the rawness of all the ingredients. Then simply serve with the chicken skewers. Hope you enjoyed these recipes. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.